Let's take a closer look at the latest leaks of the Garmin Fenix 8 and uncover what's got everyone talking. Plus, we've got the inside scoop on the release date. It's almost here. Dive in with us to get all the details. The Garmin Fenix 8 is generating a lot of buzz, and for good reason. With recent leaks giving us a sneak peek at what's to come, it's clear that this watch is going to be a game changer. In this video, we'll dive into the exciting features and design elements that have been revealed, and we'll also discuss when you can expect to see it officially released. Overview of leaked images. The leaked images of the Garmin Fenix 8 show a watch that's both rugged and refined. It maintains the signature tough look that Fenix users love, but with some noticeable upgrades. The design is sleek with a robust build that hints at its impressive capabilities. From the first glance, it's clear that this watch is designed for serious adventurers, whether they're on land, in the water, or hitting the slopes. New Scuba Activity feature. One of the most intriguing features revealed in the leaks is the new Scuba Activity Mode. The Fenix 8 is equipped with a dive rating of up to 40 meters, making it a great companion for underwater adventures. This feature is perfect for divers who want to track their activities with the same precision they expect on land. Whether you're exploring coral reefs or practicing in a pool, the Fenix 8 Scuba feature promises accurate tracking and reliable performance. Descent Enk 3 accent piece. Another standout detail from the leaked images is the accent piece, which is reminiscent of the Descent Enk 3 series. This piece isn't just for show. It's dive rated up to 200 meters, significantly enhancing the watch's durability. This addition makes the Fenix 8 not only a tool for everyday fitness, but also a reliable partner in extreme conditions. The combination of this accent piece with the overall design hints at a watch that's ready for anything, from deep-sea dives to high-altitude climbs, barometer holes, and aesthetics. The accent piece on the Fenix 8 also features gaps that expose the barometer. This design choice likely serves more than just functional purposes. While the barometer holes are essential for accurate altitude readings, they also add a unique aesthetic touch to the watch. These gaps break up the solid design, giving the Fenix 8 a more dynamic and visually interesting look. It's a blend of form and function that makes the watch not only useful, but also stylish. Additional features. Beyond the rugged design and scuba capabilities, the Fenix 8 packs in several other features that are sure to impress. The watch includes a built-in microphone and speaker, which would be a game changer for users who want to stay connected without needing to pull out their phone. Additionally, the updated Ski app, featuring a pie chart and topographic maps, offers detailed tracking for skiing enthusiasts. This upgrade makes the Fenix 8 even more versatile, catering to a wide range of activities from underwater dives to snowy slopes. Expected release date. Now, for those eagerly awaiting the Garmin Fenix 8, the good news is that you won't have to wait much longer. According to the latest information, the official launch is expected on Tuesday, August 27th. This release date has been highly anticipated by fans of the Fenix series, and with all the new features and design enhancements, it's shaping up to be a significant upgrade. Mark your calendars, because this is one launch you won't want to miss. To sum it all up, the Garmin Fenix 8 looks to be an incredible piece of tech combining rugged durability with advanced features that cater to a wide range of activities. From the new Scuba Activity Mode to the Descent MK3-inspired design, this watch is built for those who push their limits. With the official release just around the corner, excitement is definitely building. If you're as eager as we are, stay tuned for more updates, and be sure to let us know what you think of the Fenix 8 in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.